Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. Today I'm going to show you how to make some quick and easy projects using these Dollar Tree pom-pom picks. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up, and now let's craft. Alright, starting with my first project, you want to pick up one of these Dollar Tree foam wreaths. Then you want to remove the sticker, and then using something sharp, I thought my butter knife was going to work, but it didn't, so I did have to use my hand saw to cut off like the little bottom part so it can be nice and straight. You want to make sure that you cut this straight so it can stand up. As you can see, I kind of didn't. It's a little bit off, so I'm going to fix that. To make this even more straight, I did use a piece of senshi and try to smooth it out the best I could. As you can see, the wreath form does have like the attaching at the bottom. So what I did is I send that out as well. Now I'm going to use a pencil to make a hole on the other side of the flat surface. And you want to make your hole maybe a little bit less than an inch. Once you have the hole made, all you need to do is paint this. I'm using the Waverly chalk paint in the color white. I did give this 2 coats of paint. While the wreath form is drying, I do want to show you the different pom-poms that I have found. So this one right here, I found it maybe like a month or 2 ago. Look how beautiful this is. Now these on the right side are the one with the orange tag. I found these recently, which honestly the other ones are so much better and so much prettier, bigger, and even fluffier. So for this project, I will be using one of the newest ones and an old one. I'm going to cut some of the stem off, leaving like only like an inch of it. Then you want to place it inside the little holes, and that is it. Look how beautiful this turned out. Now the best part is that you can use that throughout the fall because these are like fall colors. The next project is going to be inspired by this Kirkland decor. This is $89.99, but you are going to make it under $3. From Dollar Tree, you want to pick up one of these gold trays. Now I have had mine for a while, but Dollar Tree always carries these, especially during the holiday. So I did want to show you 2 different ways. The first thing I did is I used some of the Dollar Tree painter's tape and just taped it all around so I can paint like only the bottom part. But after I had painted this, I didn't like how that looked. So what I did is I used the same painter's tape and taped it more almost close to where the little beads parts are at. So it's going to have this tiny gold frame just like this. I did paint this using 2 coats of white chalk paint. And this is how it turned out. Honestly, it looks so much better with the thinner frame. So now you want to use either of the pom-poms, the newest or the oldest ones if you have any. But honestly, I like the oldest ones better. I especially the color and match more with the gold frame. I did have to remove one of the branches and cut off some stem off. To glue the pom-pom, I do recommend you using a heavier duty glue so it can stay there longer. I just use hot glue for the video purposes only. So that is it. Look how beautiful this turned out, and it cost less than $3 to make this. Moving on, you want to pick up one of these little rainbow decor signs. They are by the wood section, and you want to take off the sticker. Now this was really hard to take off. I did have to use my blow dryer and a little tool that I had, and I removed it. I then made a hole at the top. I used a pencil to mark it and my drill to make the hole. You want to make the hole about an inch deep. So for this one, you can do it two different ways. You can paint like the top part only, like I am, and leaving the sides brown, or you can paint the entire thing white. And this is how it looks once it's nice and dry. I did give this 2 coats of the white chalk paint. So now I'm going to add 3 of the little pom-pom picks. I decided to just use all 3 different colors for this one. I did trim the stems. The last thing I did was just add these to the little hole, but that is it. Look how beautiful this turned out. And that is it for today. I really hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. Let me know down in the comment section which one was your favorite, because I would love to know. So thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye.